Hello, fabulous! Here's Emily, and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we are at Kamena residence here in Marina di Ragusa. I'm gonna tour you a bit outside here, and later on, we will go to one of their rooms. So we just came in from the gate, and you can see there are nice flowering plants. It decorates the wall, sides of the apartment, and we are now going to the pool. Let's see how is the pool area of this place. Oh, I love the palm trees and greenery. The trees, it's just looks relaxing. Well, the pool, it's quite a large area. It's huge and it's well maintained. So now it's time to see the inside of the apartment. So okay talaga siya, guys. Maganda yung labas ng apartment. It's clean and hindi siya masamok pa. Ito yung pool areas and I love it. Shoutout na pala sa mga Bisaya and Waray nun katulad ko. Big shoutout sa inyo lahat. O diba? Makikita nyo, masarap mag chillax lang. Ganun. So, bali ito yung binigay sa amin na room. And good thing kasi hindi ko na kailangan mag-workout. Hagdanan pa lang, o diba? Ang haba, ang taas. And voila! There you are. You see, ang ganda ng ating view, guys. Alright, let's go inside. Lol, nandito na pala tayo sa loob. So, and guys, I'm just showing you the inside of the apartment. Hindi siya gaano kalaki, malawak, and it's not too small also. This is an open plan, a living room, and a kitchenette. Yeah, there is a refrigerator, ceramic hob, and a portable oven. And a flat screen TV. There it is the outside view. There are the trees, which I really love. There's the balcony, it's a long one. So each apartment, they have 2 bedrooms. There's one master's bedroom and a guest room, but now I'm gonna show you the bathroom. The size of the bathroom is just right. There is no bathtub, just a shower where you can take shower, of course. And there's a heater. It's comfortable. If you want to open, there is a upper window to add some ventilation. And now we are going inside the master's bedroom. And here is the clothes rack, and there's an iron too if you want to iron clothes. Wow, I like the minimalist bedroom look. It's so simple and even the color, I love it. So every room has an AC. That's the most important. And now let's open the door from the bedroom and we'll see the view from our room. There is a wood here. It's a safety wooden blinds. Well, I'm not sure if this is correct term, but it's like a slide wooden blinds. So ayan nga guys, the master's bedroom is very spacious. It's so clean, and here we are in the kids room, or you can use this as a guest room. It has 2 single beds. There's also a door here going to the balcony. And now it's time to go upstairs. It's a upper window for ventilation. And here there is another shower room and with a toilet. So there's a glass door, access to the roof terrace, and here we are, our beautiful overlooking the pool with a sea view. By the way, the beach is nearby from this complex. It's just down the road. Here also there is a sink, and we can also do the laundry up here. And if you want to do some barbecues, this is a perfect place, and it's very nice. It's huge rooftop terrace that you can enjoy, stay all day just to relax. And there's the canopy to protect from the sun.
The next day.
So good morning, fabulous people, and today it's our first day here at Kamena residence, and I am making breakfast. Yan, gatas pa more. Tara guys, join me for my breakfast. Bon appetit! Diba, ang ganda ng view natin. Well guys, there are still a lot of facilities of this apart hotel that I didn't mention in this video. You can check out their websites written in the description box if you are interested.
One hour later.
So ngayon guys, ipapasyal ko kayo dun banda sa may bar side, dun sa may pool. Yes, we're gonna have a quick tour there. And we are here at the bar, well, just right in front of the pool. And we're gonna order something to drink. So ayan, may fabulous peeps. It's time for a relaxation. Let's refresh by the pool. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our vlog today, and I hope to see you again next time. Keep safe, you all. Ciao.